Welcome back to VU Gate. Today we are covering the MTH104 sets and logic midterm quiz featuring 40 highly important conceptual and repeated questions. Let's start with our first question. Question number 1. If A and B are two disjoint sets, then their intersection B is equal to which of the following? The correct answer is empty set or null set. Question number 2. The total number of unique subsets that can be formed from a set containing exactly 5 elements is blank. The correct answer is 32. Question number 3. The power set of an empty set, P of empty set, contains how many elements? The correct answer is 1. Question number 4. A compound proposition that is always true, regardless of the truth values of its component variables, is called a blank. The correct answer is tautology. Question number 5. A compound proposition that is always false for all possible combinations of truth values is known as a blank. The correct answer is contradiction. Question number 6. If proposition P is true and proposition Q is false, what will be the truth value of the conditional statement P implies Q? The correct answer is false. Question number 7. According to De Morgan's laws for set theory, the complement of the union of two sets, open parenthesis, a union B close parenthesis prime, is equal to blank. The correct answer is a prime intersection B prime. Question number 8. The contrapositive of a conditional statement, P implies Q, is logically equivalent to which of the following expressions? The correct answer is negation of Q implies negation of P. Question number 9. What is the converse statement for the conditional statement, P implies Q? The correct answer is Q implies P. Question number 10. What is the inverse statement for the conditional statement, P implies Q? The correct answer is negation of P implies negation of Q. Question number 11. If set A contains elements 1 and 2, and set B contains elements of B and C, the Cartesian product across B will contain how many total ordered pairs? The correct answer is 6. Question number 12. A relation R on a set A is called reflexive if for every single element X in set A, which condition holds true. The correct answer is the ordered pair X, X belongs to R. Question number 13. A relation R on a set A is symmetric if whenever the ordered pair X, Y belongs to R, it explicitly implies that blank. The correct answer is the ordered pair Y, X belongs to R. Question number 14. A relation R on a set A is transitive if whenever the ordered pair X, Y belongs to R, and the ordered pair Y, Z belongs to R. It guarantees that blank. The correct answer is the ordered pair X, Z belongs to R. Question number 15. A relation R on a non-empty set A is classified as an equivalence relation if it satisfies which three properties simultaneously? The correct answer is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Question number 16. A function f from A to B is called injective, or one-to-one, if blank. The correct answer is distinct elements in a have distinct images in B. Question number 17. A function f from A to B is defined as surjective, or onto, if which condition regarding its range is true. The correct answer is range is equal to the codomain B. Question number 18. A function that is simultaneously injective and surjective is formally called a blank function. The correct answer is bijective. Question number 19. The logical connective representing the exclusive OR or XOR operation evaluates to true when blank. The correct answer is exactly one of the propositions is true. Question number 20. If set A is a proper subset of set B, then the union of these two sets, a union B, is equal to blank. The correct answer is set B. Question number 21. If set A is a proper subset of set B, then the intersection of these two sets, intersection B, yields blank. The correct answer is set A. Question number 22. The biconditional proposition, P if and only if Q, is strictly true under which structural condition? The correct answer is when both P and Q possess identical truth values. Question number 23. The set difference operation, a minus B, gathers all elements that belong to blank. The correct answer is set A but do not belong to set B. Question number 24. The mathematical symbol resembling an inverted A represents which type of logical quantifier? The correct answer is universal quantifier. Question number 25. The mathematical symbol resembling a backward E represents which type of logical quantifier? The correct answer is existential quantifier. Question number 26. If a finite set has n elements, what is the exact formula to compute its total number of proper subsets? The correct answer is 2 raised to the power of n minus 1. Question number 27. By applying De Morgan's logical equivalence laws, the expression negation of open parenthesis p and q close parenthesis is structurally identical to blank. The correct answer is negation of p or negation of q. Question number 28. By applying De Morgan's logical equivalence laws, the expression negation of open parenthesis p or q close parenthesis is structurally identical to blank. The correct answer is negation of p and negation of q. Question number 29. If set A contains elements 1, 2, and 3, and set B contains elements 2, 3, and 4, what is the symmetric difference of these sets? The correct answer is the set containing elements 1 and 4. Question number 30. For any arbitrary set A, the intersection of set A with its own complement set, a intersection A prime, always results in blank. The correct answer is empty set. Question number 31. For any arbitrary set A, the union of set A with its own complement set, a union A prime, always results in blank. The correct answer is universal set U. Question number 32. A collection of non-empty subsets of a set A is called a partition of A if the subsets are pairwise disjoint and their total union equals blank. The correct answer is set A itself. Question number 33. If the cardinality of a set A is denoted as n, then the cardinality of its power set is given by blank. The correct answer is 2 raised to the power of n. Question number 34. A relation R on a non-empty set A that is reflexive, antisymmetric, and transitive is classified as a blank. The correct answer is partial order relation. Question number 35. For any standard function f from A to B, the domain of the function is always equal to which set? The correct answer is set A. Question number 36. How many horizontal rows will be required in a truth table representing a compound proposition constructed from 4 distinct propositional variables? The correct answer is 16. Question number 37. The logical compound proposition expression, P or negation of P, represents an explicit example of a blank. The correct answer is tautology. Question number 38. The logical compound proposition expression, P and negation of P, represents an explicit example of a blank. The correct answer is contradiction. Question number 39. The set containing all elements under consideration for a specific mathematical discussion or problem layout is defined as the blank. The correct answer is universal set. Question number 40. If an implication statement P implies Q is known to be true, and its premise P is checked to be true, then by logical deduction laws, Q must be blank. The correct answer is true.